Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be continuing on with our Swift programming series, and in this particular tutorial we are going to be taking a look, or rather talking about generics. We're not going to do any code today. I'm just going to talk about generics. So what exactly are generics in Swift? Well, generics are a way for you to create reusable and, it allows you to create reusable code, just like functions or classes allow you to create reusable code, but generics allows you to do this on a much higher level. So, generics allows you to create, that reusable code, but it also allows you to make it much more flexible in that you can use whatever type you want with it. So when we talk about generics, we're talking it's type generic. You don't have a specific type that you can. There's not a specific type being specified. Now, there are different things you can do with generics, such as creating generic classes, protocols, structures, and enums. This is generally extremely useful when you are creating custom collections. So, for example, if you want to create a custom linked list or a custom stack or queue, generics come in handy with that when you're talking about generic classes and structs and stuff like that. You can also create generic methods, which we'll take a look at later on in another video. This will allow you to take in parameters that are generic, and work with any of those types without sacrificing that type safety. And then the other thing you can do with generics is you can apply constraints to a generic. So this means, that you can require that it conforms to a specific protocol, or inherits from a specific class, something like that. So that way you can have access to specific properties or methods based on the conformance or inheritance requirements that you set for it, which, again, we'll take a look at that as well in another video. But just know you can do that. All right. So I hope you guys understood that. I tried to break it down into as basic terms as possible. Don't hesitate to ask questions as well, as I'm always willing to answer them. So that pretty much does it for this video on discussing generics. In the next video, we're going to be talking about generic type parameters, which are a fundamental concept to generics. So, see you then.